Hey beautiful queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see how I got this top knot bun or ninja bun on this short, thick, curly hair. So you want to start on stretched hair. I tried to stretch my hair as much as possible. So the night before I knew I was going to do this style, I went ahead and put my hair in some twists. And then I took out those twists and went ahead and detangle as much as possible with the, what is this, the Easy Detangler brush. That brush is lit, but yeah. So I wanted to do this in sections because I consider my hair to be short natural hair. So I did the back section first, trying my hardest to just get it as high and as stretched as possible. And then I did the middle section and the front. Let me know if you have issues with your nape and what you're doing for it. Because before I was using Dr. Miracle for my edges. And it says for the nape as well. But to me, it hasn't been as successful for my nape as it was my edges. So let me know. Y'all, I was so happy I got this hair in a ponytail. So now I'm just going in with two different types of gel. This is the extreme gel. And then I went in with the Gorilla Snot gel. So I just use as much gel as I think I will need all around my hair. I already know my nape is going to give me an issue, but I'm trying to grow that out. Now I'm just going to redo this ponytail. On this part, ladies, get your hair as tight and as sleek as possible because this is it. Now that that part is done, put a scarf around your head so your hair can lay down flat while you do that top knot. So now I'm going to take some weave that I had left over from doing my twist. If you didn't see that video, check it out after this. So what you want to do is grab a scrunchie and take your hair, put it in the scrunchie, and create a lock like that. Now put this around your little bun you got there. Ooh. So you're gonna take this and start to twist the hair and wrap it around. And then you're gonna do the same with the other side. Twist and begin to wrap it around. So I decided to go in with a little bit more hair. At the beginning, I didn't know if I just wanted a smaller bun, but I felt like I could go a little bit taller and a little bit fuller. This thing might be getting too tall. So it got a little tall, yeah. So I basically just went in with some bobby pins and pretty much squished my bun down and made the bobby pins hold it in place. Okay guys, it's been about an hour and a half. I think you'll be good with an hour, or if you're in a time crunch, take a blow dryer to it. You see these little frills or whatever? Just gonna cut those off. Yes. Okay. Good. How you doing? Hey. Thanks y'all so much for watching and tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for all future videos. Bye.